Tá mar YouTube atá agus TikTok anseo. Mar se tá naimsir uafasach Tá mai ceapú mé lámáideach agus tá mai bute dúnas de lún uafasach freisin mar go le mó. Well tá sacrán is le tá sé mórílach. Tá sé mórílach. Cealann mórílach showery. Mórílach means showery. So mór is shower, and then mórílach is showery. So it is showery. Tá sé mórílach. 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 Jaidim siúlaid máin ar maidin a mes get a good spach today ar maidin. Agus mín tar mai al náirta sé na dhéisin agus ní éach am ar leimsis tá nach chaach mar deara. I was lucky I got a morning walk, and thankfully the weather was okay then. We mag leor. We fós a brísan agus vi cawl fór annach vi ní smú fad in na móríl. Vi sart an ætjal. Þurrt colm sjóger TikTok a chin tá capla mór a bána atran an jovach. Ója tá go tá curry fari gan. Tá curry fari gan. Agus nís mes a bheith tá me bit a dóndas te lún go háirit be seofasach donna. Sin na chóla meidech i Sunday and Mondays to be even worse. Is an beirta 62 kilometer about goi. I think 65 kilometer winds for Sunday. Agus tin is mór be shutí goi tin beidir mar an 900 kilometer. They might be 100 kilometer gusts. Stúrte Davy B. Jeruch tá mai fechint bhard mélan na chas na stáit intathe. Ó go má David B. Jeruch America. Hello in America. Hele bhfuil gail go bhát, tá gail go bhát go dhéanc. You've got Irish for a yank. Go má dain an tála go rud cinn si tíad ábhachas. Tá sé san éir. Is tá rud cilinstúir tá sar barámatar. Tá sar barámatar rud amas tá sin tean brú agus tá brú ísisiil. Tá brú ísisiil. I've barámatar, I think what you call it. Tá sin tean an brú to measure the pressure. Tá sé ísisiil, tá brú ísisiil. Diréir an barámatar tamsa. Mar sé bhrá, bhain an a bhrá an ó dain de. Agus mar sé mata cheiste goighom. If you have any questions for a native speaker from in the Sire, from the Iron Islands in the Sire, Jenna mo year like cheiste gur sé beidir jachna me leabhar na méid. I might just do half an hour. Was get dain a chur mar timer tannis. Tá mar chur timer, what's a kintinis? O sé tá sé hana. Mar sé tá timer in is tríchan úmad. Ní some much of nanas in there. I have a timer now on my watch. And there's Alan Chin. Hi, Jeruch Alan. Hi, Alan. So to go hope you're well. There's Lisa TikTok. Jeruch, just more Lisa. To some to go to some go and I'm sure she's just if we can watch the ship. I hope the weather's nice wherever you are. Tá naimsir mai ceappa mar a chéile me héine agus colm seoige tá mai ceappa mar a chéile tin go seara kitchen Connemara, and here's the same weather, unfortunately. Showery and blustery agus that's a certain chocht chichi freshen. How if it's an chocht chichi freshen, you'd notice the temperature dropped as well. They're coming over it as a autumnal, so you say it, autumnal feel to things now. Autumnal. Ní teanna háir ní smó á sé jetara nachhfuil. Most definitely it's not. Definitely not summer weather. Caic seachan bhí seanna háir, caic seachan bhí sean just about 2 weeks ago. It was lovely weather, very mild. It's kind of a bit of hollow. We shall row has a shomer. It was too hot in the room about 2 weeks ago. I was complaining. I was saying, tas will Jamish go me fucht and go me fuarawa. I was saying to myself, hope to God, now we'll have nice cold weather because it was very warm in the room. We should have 53 came Celsius, and nice. It was about 23 degrees Celsius in the room. Vadro he humsa, way too hot humsa. It's that shishini in the air. Keitcha. Falcha machara, there's Jay Cairns, just want to watch Jay Cairns, doesn't want to go map. Hope you're well. We didn't get you guys to let Kashagara. Someone must have been listening upstairs, was listening to me. I got a mad, there's Davy B, come on. Agus, there's Trampoline Girl, Are You a Viking? No, ni Lochnach me, I'm not a Viking. Lochnach, I'm not a Viking, ni Lochnach me. It's Gael, me, I'm a Gael, not a Viking. Kegwell Captain Esoig, and Esoig Sharam agus Groigada, long hair and the beard. Gives me a Viking look, I suppose, but it's lesgulacht nis more than that. It's laziness more than anything else. And betting your kuch kanisach sha agus betting your Trimberg Bejer. Ta naim se bonas Kane the durch Jay Cairns. Ta sha na yetach. Ta sha na yetach marajara. Ta sha na yetach. No real translation to that in English, really. Jetach, like smoke. It's windy, like it is today. Blustery, windy, moody, like showery, that kind of weather. It's an ayatach, that's by Jadon, like Jalonga, and it will be on Sunday and Monday, especially. Dear Simon Kichawilto. So when someone writes Conasatato, I auto-correct that in my head and say Kichawilto. So I auto-correct that in my head whenever I see Conasatato. But Kichawilto George Simon. Ta ma har Kane as Kichawilto hein Simon doesn't go to go ma. Dúirt Lisa tá as Port Lisa agus tá naib siú fasach fesin. Go ma. Well, tá muid look some odd cane the Masha. We're all in the same boat. So we're tá muid look some odd cane. There's Simon. Try my best. Tú ní mach amag, ní mach bains smochas. Ní mach jarrail hart. Ní mach jarrail. Some only jesting. Banter, Marjara, Jara, Matsbochas. Kea Simon. Where are you from yourself, Simon? Where are you from yourself? So, Martin, if you have any questions for me, Jenna Moy here, like Chesta, Gorchafaz will Tassat, Nahwalain, row as my note. Come on, but yes. Then old school match in the whole my note. A good university there, isn't there? My note. Then I go Blockum decaf decaf. I'm drinking a bit of decaf coffee. But I shall row Yernach go Gnach. It's too late to be drinking coffee. Caffeinated coffee. So decaf tamani, so I'm drinking decaf. That's a rubber four to the cold. We might just was like the hay we might just host level biscuit dunkel stuff. I was just using I just used the coffee decaf just if I tea biscuits, biscuit rich tea go hard it. Smiling with the dunkel. I like dunking the rich tea biscuits. But song chan blas, coffee. soon it absorbs, so to absorbs, soon sé blas a chaif, it absorbs the taste of the coffee. Ús sé cearns tá roiig fada ríist. Tá mo chud groig fada le tá an is seach. Na mi mo dhégó if much groig fada na mo dhégó. When I was a teenager, I had long hair for a couple of years. Tinna mo chud fétí bhíh much groig reisant a gairid. Well, reisant a gairid. Relatively short hair in my 20s and early 30s. A tin le bit Carna Cook of Lent. Here is COVID now. After COVID, really, I started growing my hair out a bit and as an side fresh and kind of Sam. Hanna Shalom sort Ganva got again road doors. It was nice not to be going to the barber or not to be trimming all the time, or shaving all the time. So Fasten Jamach. Being arms I rub trimming in the city, so I have to trim here the odd time. I'm just row at the I don't want it getting too long. I know this mess of fish. The worst thing about a beard is when you eat popcorn. If you're eating popcorn or any food, especially popcorn, vasto is the vis like vasto's it gets stuck if you suppose gets stuck in the beard. So sometimes popcorn can get kind of stuck in here. So that's the only that's a drawback. Sin locht weil it's le vis like stoi. Was je nach tá fi kom san éver neit fucht an neit gaif an net vin skaif an gaif nip in the air when it's cold and there's a nip in the air nice go fianta when you get that kind of chill wind chill blast cold wind chill go fianta. It's very piercing, but it's like a face covering, or it's like a mask for your face, the beard. So couldn't check. Anytime I shave, when it's cold like that, fourth more diner the done and you feel the cold more in your face. So it's some buntash the fees. So that's actually a benefit, a buntash to for fees like for beard. Cechahfuil sannaí is cecha le cailín bug tíar cara. Tá bhirrte go parcéint is it was a staire. They're upstairs. In a van with my wife. They're upstairs. Agus but tá siad anmhór le chéile. They're very good buddies, great buddies. Well, was give the hain, you know what? Was give the hain nach na le víns mining gé rud the kin. So when my daughter is eating something, gomininic go she mar boo glen she boo ar sunny. So go she boo agus chichen kainchi an briscon of his an GG gomininic kainchi piece of toast no his kainchi has been sunny chin fine kite ard high chair. Sunny's always under the high chairs. He knows there's games. Foilach is going to fall down from my daughter. So been sunny actually. Mar the cadre of markup. They have a good relationship. Ach ní ácan a bhirrte couple chéile sa siomra gan éanne fehuireacht. I wouldn't leave them together in a room without supervision. Deach ráitis na bhaitis. Tá sunny go má agus múnsis hundred. Ach Nivasat that's a jetach and Kailin bug clush sunny a harge no trouble sunny a harge jet second tardo second to one that can happen in 1 second is plaque machine better nach fun plaque roll larger a plaque machine hey this is like a posh down oak actually full of story, she might be bleeding, so she as I was saying there like I wouldn't leave Sonny and my daughter on their own without supervision. Sonny is very good with her and all that, but if she pulled his ear or his tail or anything, he could retaliate, which could happen, so Jacharatis Novatis, just in case. Jay Cairns Sonny Allin, tá Sonny Glóte. Tá Sonny Glóte Wóte Uachtaróte. Glóte Wóte Uachtaróte. Well, come down, go guide it. I have to do a poem shortly. But I bet I should crail about maybe after this live stream. I'll recite a poem to Jeremiah. I'm down the kitchen raw. Go to my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Dawn, Hullaga, me mouth over. But I can Tichalav for 30 days. So the Hineg, no Dara like Jake. So the Hineg dawn to them. So I've 11 poems done. So I have to do another one today. If you have any recommendations for poems, I'd be, more than willing. Because it's a Jack as Dantal so it's difficult to get poems actually. So well, you need 30 poems. So with a niche it's not that easy, if you have any there's Roisin high Harja, just my house Roisin, doesn't want to go ma. There's Alex Murphy, hi my cousin. Alex Murphy. So if you have any recommendations for poems, or if any of ye are poets, mas fille Chopin no mata dantas gift no comtagui hain. You don't have to be poets, but if you've written a poem or whatever, Irish language poem, Kashavang Ailke. It has to be in Irish. But if you have any poems written in Irish language poems, I'm more than willing to put them on my TikTok reel, Instagram reel, or TikTok, YouTube as well. And I'll give credit to the Antas. So there's Jay Cairns Ta. So Cairns Ta Dawn at Rom. You have a poem for me. Have you written a poem yourself, which I skive that time, or is it a recommendation? But by my sauce Dawn Alev agus Antas's recognition or acknowledgement. Antas when put it Houdin, I would give Houdin Antas Gunfille to the poet. So as I said, if you have any question, any recommendation for me to recite a poem, I'd be more than willing to recite and acknowledge. Will link just a Tom Lodge's poem. Tom Lodge's poem. Which poem is that? No, Tom Lodge's. Well, is there been a time to the dawn? Is that the name of the poem? Is it Tom Lodge's? Have you come across Airchai or Liam Moirle? Nice for new fathers. Near Hualas, I haven't heard that poem. I bet it's been Kamad, be a good one. Yeah, come on. Could imagine a list. I'll put that on the list. As I said, I need about 18 poems roughly. So I need to test and have the Ochtiag Dawn. Well, they made to fail in the Butchachi, it's your Connor. Nive. But Vilum, I would like to be my priacloch fos. I'm still priacloch is a word we use here for very busy, like extremely busy, even under pressure. Priacloch. So be my priacloch. Me I'll be very busy still. Even today, few the galore hart enough. Honey galore yanks and night stolen. So I was busy today in the shop. lots of Americans in today from Doolin. Mar ra bhí me príacal has bhí me gobair agus tuairtear an Kylie Bobby an am céine, so I have the little girl in the shop with me at the time, same time. Dúirt muidan ceachahfuil tú. So whenever I see constatatu, I auto-correct that in my head. So whenever someone says constatatu, I say ceachahfuil tú in my head. Auto-correct it. Ní mar chamaga chacha. Ceachahfuil tú. Tá mar thar céim tá gailge all in that. Gailge in a saoir. Gailge in a saoir. Sin gailge in a saoir think that's in a saoir. Irish gailge in a saoir. Blas in a saoir. Canut in a saoir. That's an agus Ceasú hain, Mudan. Where are you from yourself, Mudan? Ceasú hain. As with an Aimshire go donna a chin fresh and Phoebe Canach Rasu, Mudan. Is the weather bad there as well, wherever you're from? Mudan. Phoebe Canach Rasu. So come on. Agus much all of my blog on my gun cafe for I'll drink another sip of the cold coffee, decaf coffee. Agus cheistení go let's go. Cheistení eile. Any more questions? There's more bhaile léach am mo chónaí trade Newbridge sin Kildare mar magan mó. If I'm not mistaken, Kildare. Come on, good yes. Jetach mór. No, drada. Okay, drada. So we say trade here, trade. But in lots of parts of Connemara, they'll say tread. But and in the Sayer, Zinishmau expression in Ishmael would say trade, as opposed to tread. So that's a distinction. After my camera, chicken out to Connemara. I think it depends where you are, Connemara and Connemara. Nisam will column show you folks, so it's a stream, so but I'm not sure if column show is still in the stream, if he says tread or trade like I would. So me more there's car or YouTube plague Spraoi. So I'm on YouTube here, TikTok here, YouTube play agus Spraoi. Mata ship get a subscription hurchum. I'm trying to target 1,000 subscribers for my YouTube, and that's my shinima Spruk is target goal, I suppose. Target Spruk. Shinima Spruk. Mille subscriber, 1,000 subscribers are YouTube. To my cap goal Shachgate Shachwa no Martian subscriber. I think I have 770-ish no Martian subscribers. I think Martian over 700 anyway. So that but so I need less than 300 subscribers to get the 1,000 milestone Marajera milestone 1,000 subscribers. Tomorrow YouTube just let her blian. I'm on YouTube now for about a year, I think. Hartar blian. Masha. Ja be my tunnus fish I need fudge. YouTube could in podcasts agus fish and better chen numad no kujak numad that YouTube. Ni khol machine there TikTok. Just fucking the fish and guided TikTok. I just leave the short videos on TikTok. I don't do the long videos, but I do long videos on YouTube, podcasts and videos that are 10 minutes, 15 minutes long on YouTube. Durch Tedward Mial Mocherty is more tip home of proper hurling. Well, it's Emiliana Shah. This year Tipperary has the All Ireland, the Liam McCarthy. Vomra na gael fe washat an Kamoke, Mashatan Tás thug na mrá open All Ireland go Gaillim líana, so the women of Galway brought the All Ireland back to Galway, then Camogie. So it's not all Tipperary's way. So na mrá freisin mrá na Gaillimhe. Chuma dúirt muireann chuma dhéidir scoile míle mo ceartaí nó bliantachan bhádochain. Ó go má. As Curie about that your father is from Kerry, is it about as Curie about that modern from Curie, is it? Nachas Curie Bas Curie Miel Mocherty nach I think Miel Mocherty was from Kerry, wasn't he? Mar Magan Mo, if I'm not mistaken. My Shilim Gurba, I think so. Seach na bheith chuch núma dagan mar sin cimméis tá fácéir a timer. Seach núma, so seach núma. So tuna seach núma daile as it sin. Bearm an dawn ará. There's Jason Dublin. Hi, can you pronounce Eva? So we say here and in the sayer. Say Eva. A lot of people say Iheva, but parts of Connemara they'll say Ihe, but here and in the Sayer and in the Smeon we say E. It's actually easier to say, it's just E, like the letter E, so Eva. It's easier to say Eva than it is to say Iheva. It's one less syllable. So Iwa. There's Cliffy Reeved, just more Cliffy Reeved, to some to come out. I hope you're well, to some to come out. Would to give much Cliffy Reeved or Ma Philora? Are you playing any good computer games at the moment? Cliffy Reeved. There's Damien Flanagan, can't speak it, but it's nice to hear. Nice to see and hear. Thank you. Good remembering from Limerick. Oh, come on, ain't the fad. Just more Damien, I guess the song will do by the time of us a Krillabo. I hope you're enjoying the live stream and picking up a couple of focal, a few useful terms possibly. And of course you can near TikTok, but on YouTube you can look back on the live stream when this is finished. So I'll leave that up that'll be up for as long as I have YouTube account, I suppose. So. But I'm not brand share, so anything interesting I may have said, any interesting terms or words, you'll be able to rewind back and see that on another date if you want, whatever. So switching up to yourself. Dúirt muireann Flanorian Moyete. Right. Come on. Aber, yeah, come on. Agus Gurmad Northeast say I say my yes net I heard that as dúirt Aisling cechol an aimimse in say not tá sé much. It's wintry autumnal blustery, tá sé ina dhéatach, so that means like, you know, it's windy, blustery, wintry, kind of very windy and blustery. Tá sé ina dhéatach. What's your name on YouTube? So Play agus Spraoi. So PLE fada, then agus Spraoi, AGUS, and then Spraoi, SPROI. Play agus Spraoi is my YouTube channel. So if you want to go over and subscribe and add to the subscriber count, because I'm targeting, as I said, 1,000 subscribers to imagine the volume Mila subscriber. I'd like to get 1,000 subscribers. So an mé tú gobar an déir seachtain ar fad bé mé gúnaí gobar bé ar fe ar a lei sé seach níl. I'll be working. I work non-stop throughout the whole summer, spring and summer, and up to end of October. It's another 6-7 weeks or so. But pre-clock I'll be extremely busy up until then. Jay Kearns, Tom Lodger, or so, Heineken Ferris, Irish. Come on, she's an dawn about to Voltu. She's an dawn of Voltu. That's the poem you recommended, Hannah. And the Northern, which is Solace, which is in Royal Oot, which is in Yale. Which is it? Setting, just me saw. Which are Royal at least need. Tan Solace in Iraq, the lighting is not great. Fucking just say that's okay. Agree by my fog on this guide. Any more questions before I hit the road? Any more questions? Agree home. Miss my Bullabor is hitting the road. Before I hit the road with my Bullabor. I'll be hitting the road. So any more questions for a native Irish speaker from the Aran Islands? Who lives on an island. You might be interested in what's island life like, native Irish speaker. And sauce the Kishni Agrit. I'd be thoughts on how Gael you've been taught in schools. When you Sam or no, I don't know what the standard or what's it like in non native Irish areas, non-Gaeltacht areas, but certain things I don't like, there's no Cyprus blast. There's no real blast. So I hear lots of kids coming out of schools and I get them in the summertime here and, teenagers and, people in their 20s or whatever that gone through the curriculum and, a lot of them have good Irish, but no blast. No blast. They've no blast. They talk like that. Talk Gael Gaguma agus vi me mala cli agus dola me. So they have okay Irish, but they've no blast. It's not just Dublin. It's in Galway and elsewhere. Freshen, they don't teach blast in the curriculum. That's probably one of my main. Criticisms, probably from hearing people who have gone through the curriculum. So that's probably my biggest thing. There's any Sconamara out there. I'm from the Gaeltacht. I spell of it. Irish nacha. Blas, so blas means, literally means taste, but in a language, native fluency, I suppose, that would be probably the closest translation I can think of in English, blas, kind of like native fluency. Some people, might be able to learn a language well, whether it be Spanish, German, or whatever, but they mightn't have the accent full on, or you could, like a German or a French or a Spanish person would still be able to detect, just as a French or a Spanish person or German who speaks English very well. I know people from different European countries that have excellent English, but you'd still know they're not native speakers. They're, you can still tell that the folks fachasat. So it's kind of like that. It's the blast. They don't teach the blast. Even some Munskels, so even in the Bunskell when they're growing up, they don't have the blast. There's Damien Flanagan from Limerick. It's good for the head. Come on. Good for the head listening to me. I can't chat with you anyway. Enjoy listening to you. Gurmad, Damien. Gurmad. As there's Cliffy, the Kishtamwich, K. He's on K. Kenneth, K. Anyway, I'll do another couple of minutes. So you have a few more questions to ask me before I head off because it's getting late. I got each journal. It's almost pitch black outside. I'm looking out the window. The funag as funag the funag here as funag. Oh yeah, so there's a window south of me and a window west of me. So brando sheer, brando oh yes, looking south and looking west. Injury time starts. Quite a match numad. Numad injury time. I'm putting 3 minutes. 3 numad injury time. 3 minutes injury time. That's a tussinish. A couple of questions the bell of that. Yes, there's Ulsterhound. Yeah, it's like how people use a K sound for CH. Yeah. Shave, understanding shave and things, and coil or. So a lot of people a lot of non-native speakers find it impossible, I suppose, really to pronounce certain. So, for example, the name Maide or Maudine, for example. So Maide or Maudine or Bridge. A lot of people are not able to, a lot of non-native speakers are not able to pronounce those names correctly. They'll say Morgine or Morge, but Morge. It's extremely subtle, very subtle. The coil or, the coil or, the narrow or, the slender or. But it's very important to pronounce certain words correctly. And names like Maudine, a lot of people are not able to say, they'll just say Maureen. If they're not able to say it correctly, Maudine as opposed to Maureen. Maure as opposed to Mora, like M-I-U-R-A, because they're not able to pronounce it correctly. Or they'll say breach. Like with an E-G-G-G-E, because they're not able to say breach. It's subtle, very subtle, but it's there. There's can cap then it's a cruel about in the Julene. Tá hí mar se ceach leir stoi. Tá sé ceach leir stoi. Tá sé go bhfuil. Hello from Liverpool, there's starach. Just more good starach. Tá sungul tu go ma. Tá sulang go tu go ma. Agus there's mudan tá fisa go intachat. Oh, got a míle mat. So the song I sang a song there a couple of law. Instead of a poem, I sang a verse or two of a song, and I sang the John ma kulskom of ristem virus. So I did that instead of the poem, but there's a line in the song. It's called Maide, the name of the song. How does it go now? John ma kulskom of ristem virus lesionover. As ni ein man nisak shaim so go was she milerad. So ni ein man nisak sha go was she milerad. I won't shave off my beard until it grows a mile long. That's kind of funny. That's a line in the song. Suitable to me, I suppose. That's a fellow nach. King Heilige guitar streamer. Neil Sam, but it's a Crayola Bows. Crayola Bows. Live stream. Crail Toad, Bages. Crail Toad. Italina. Crail Toad. Italina, Bages. Live streamer, Bages. Crail Toad Bow, maybe. Neil Sam. I need him showing on this is reached. I only live stream every now and again, maybe twice, 3 times a month. Really, much near Vinnick. Gus Philip there. Is Darrow Connell. Darrow Connell is my father. He's a poet and a writer, short story writer. And I've recited some of his poems already in the my challenge to myself, the Irish language poem, everyday Irish language poem. So I've already recited a few of his poems. Do you follow in his footsteps? Rubbag. Well, ní mór anta cumtam hain fós. I haven't really composed any songs or poems yet. Haine mar couples mine. I've thought of many things, but to actually write it down and properly work them out is another thing. Better law kinch, maybe someday I'll recite or sing a song my own making, my own. Filir nach juar dúirteach go ma. Well, I need bailach fill fós. I'm not quite a poet, but I'm a reader of poetry. Di mai leif filiocht. Kerkelor, beje go vaca muja chinishe. Will I kestele rom any more questions before I head off? But the guides are journach. There's a catche lausha hot. It's gone past half 8. So agus before skif she coupled on. Yeah, she's my mother, she's written a few poems as well. Yeah, coupled on skifta. Freshen. Kerkalor, so even are you TikToks, anyone who's in my TikTok stream, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Play agus Spraoi. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll find more longer videos there on my YouTube. Versus my TikTok, I just do short videos, whereas on YouTube, I tend to put podcasts. I do podcasts now and again, and I do longer form videos. Videos 10 minutes to 15 to 20 minute long videos. So if you're interested in that, longer form videos, it's ready to my YouTube, Play agus Spraoi. You can head over to my YouTube and so give me a subscription, because I want to target 1,000 subscribers. That's my target. So Play agus Spraoi, PLE fada agus Spraoi, AGUS and SPR. Goma intachar fat. Kerkalor, we'll leave it there. Fucking with the chinako. Skyli melib. I'll let you off. Skyli melib. Kerkalor marsha. Gormagi cholochan nach porch as on Krillabo. Thank you everyone who participated in the stream on YouTube agus TikTok. Gormilamagu agus cholana jerkesh name. So some vaniship kind of as on Krillabo. I hope everyone enjoyed the live stream and participated in that. So and Gormad Mitz Bill for subscribing to my YouTube. Gormad Play agus Spraoi is my YouTube. Kerklar, we'll leave it there. Okay, ain't a curry meal magai, slán agus benacht. Slán agus benacht. Go no jeeb. Slán